Brian, you're doing a good job. Watch where you're going. Smile for the camera. Wait, wave and say hi.
Hi.
Keep going.
Hi.
Okay, keep riding your bike.
Hi.
Keep riding your bike. Keep going. Go around. Show us how fast you can go. This could be a recipe for disaster.
Just don't ride in the weeds.
Stay out of the weeds. Wow, you're going really fast.
Just like every other kid. He has to watch the wheel going around instead of watching where he's going.
You are going really fast. Good job.
That's the way Mommy used to do.
Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi.